Is bad breath making you conscious all the time? Are you scared to talk to someone standing close? Or is the bad breath ruining all your special moments? Hello everyone, I am Dr. Deepika and today we will discuss what causes bad breath, how can you check by yourself that you have bad breath, and how to get rid of it.
The person who has bad breath may not be aware of this situation because they may have developed tolerance due to this. The patient generally cannot identify the condition on its own, but it is identified by friends or family.
Bad breath is a social stigma. People who have it will be little shy. They avoid socializing. But beyond all that, we should think about health issues. Bad breath is also known as halitosis. It is a very common problem. Nearly more than 50% of the population have it. It is a long-term problem. So unless you treat the underlying cause, yes, you'll still have it. So now let's discuss what are the reasons that causes bad breath. Let me tell you, there are not only one but many reasons that causes bad breath. Let's start with the most common reason. It includes poor oral hygiene, gum disease, tongue coat, carious tooth, food that is stuck in between your teeth, food like onion or garlic, smoking, tobacco chewing, and pan masala chewing. Few other reasons are unclean dentures, oral cancer, throat infection, dry mouth, drugs like antidepressants or some chemotherapy drugs, respiratory problems like sinusitis, tonsillitis, any foreign body in your nose or lungs, acidity or stomach ulcer. So now we'll see how can you check by yourself that you have bad breath. The first method is mouth cover method. Using both of your hands, cover your mouth and nose. Exhale through your mouth and then inhale through your nose. Other method is swab method. Take a Q-tip, gently scrub either on your tongue or your cheeks, and after 1 to 2 minutes, check for any foul smell. If you smell a bad odor, then it is because of your breath. Now let's see how can you get rid of bad breath. When you have a poor oral hygiene, that causes plaque and calculus deposit. So now, what is plaque and what is calculus?
Every time you eat or drink, a sticky, yellowish, or white coating is formed on your teeth surface.
That is called plaque, and plaque is very easy to clean every day while brushing. And if you're unable to clean the plaque regularly by brushing, it forms a hard deposit on your tooth surface that is called calculus. And you cannot clean calculus by brushing. You have to visit your dentist to get a cleaning done. Poor oral hygiene forms a coating on your tongue. All these situations attracts more bacteria, and these bacteria colonize and produce bad odor in your mouth. So you need to visit your dentist to get a cleaning done and also to check if you have any gum disease. After getting the cleaning done, maintenance part is very important. Includes brushing twice daily, use of antiseptic mouthwash, rinsing with water after every meal, flossing or interdental brush, whatever is required, sugar-free chewing gums, use of tongue cleaner. If you are a denture wearer, you should clean your dentures regularly. If your bad breath is because of acidity, you need to get it treated. Take your medicines on time that is prescribed by a doctor, and also you need to improve your eating habits. Dry mouth can be because of mouth breathing or certain drugs like antidepressants or some chemotherapeutic drugs, as I've already explained. So dry mouth is a condition when there is less excretion of saliva in your mouth. Saliva acts as a cleaning agent in your mouth that keeps the bacteria at the manageable level. So the mouth becomes dry and there is reduced salivary flow that causes bad smell. In such condition, you can use sugar-free chewing gums that will help stimulate the salivary secretion and reduce the bad smell in your mouth. You can even visit your dentist that will help you with the salivary substitutes. If your bad breath is because of dietary reasons, like you're eating a lot of onion or garlic, or if you're a cigarette smoker, you can mask the bad smell in your mouth by using mouthwash or mouth spray or chewing gums, because all this smell is temporary. For other causes like sinusitis or tonsillitis, you'll need to visit your doctor for the treatment. eventually you'll notice the problem of your bad breath has also reduced. These were the few reasons that causes bad breath, and I hope I have explained you what to do in such situation. There are even few home remedies like chewing elaichi or sauf or long, tulsi, etc. But that'll help you reduce the bad smell. But always remember that is only for time being and temporary. So treating the cause is important rather than masking it with some other smell. That's it for today. I hope it was helpful for you. So please like and share my video and subscribe it if you haven't done already. Thank you.